So let's go to stock picks. We've got a minute each. Shane, you're going with Supergroup, and I imagine, and that's the announcement, was it last week, on SG Fleet in Australia?
Well, look, short answer is Supergroup's biggest asset is SG Fleet. It's about 75% of the value of the company. They've said they're going to sell it, or they intend to. There's no firm intention, but they in exclusive negotiations. I spoke to Peter Mountford today, and all he would say is they will tell us something within the next week. My guess is they will sell it. If they do sell it, the remaining businesses are on about a 2 PE. If you put the remaining businesses on a reasonable valuation, let's call it a 6 to 8 PE, there's something between 25 and 50% upside in Supergroup.
Okay, some good stories there. Pierre Verster, you were going to go Supergroup, but then rather than double up, you've gone with Brambles in Australia. They make pallets. And I know this because I Googled it, to be perfectly honest.
Correct, yes. The major subsidiary is CHEP. And if you think about pallets, it's basically the wooden little structure, 1 meter by 1 meter, that they move stuff around. So if you unload a big shipping container, or if you move stuff around in a warehouse, you probably are using some pallets. There are millions of these things around. And CHEP is a major player internationally. They lease them out and they recycle them. Also some other containers that they do similar things with. And if you think about world trade, notwithstanding Trump and China and the fights that are going on there, more stuff is moving around every year as we ship stuff around, move stuff around. And that means logistics has got an inbuilt growth rate. That means we need more pallets. And with the biggest network of pallets, you've got the network effect, meaning that the more pallets you have out there, the bigger your competitive advantage relative to your competitors. And it's a big business that recycles plastic and wood. Who doesn't like that? Who doesn't want to recycle? So you'll get a ESG a star as well if you invest in them. So a very nice Australian business that has looked reasonably priced for a while, and now with the management team that is really focusing on the financials, I think the future for Brambles looks bright.
We'll leave that there. It's all for Stockwatch tonight. Thanks to our guests, Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management, Brambles listed on this ASX, and Shane Watkins from Protea Capital. He's going with Supergroup. Up next, the close. Stay tuned.